Imagine getting over 1 million predictions per month for 2,000 SKUs across 250 branches and achieving 90% accuracy for sales quantity forecast at product level. Find out how Findability solves.
The global market for manufacturing is expected to grow from $86 billion in 2020 to $117 billion by 2025. Barely 20% of these manufacturing organizations have a forecast accuracy of 75% or more, resulting in poor inventory management, supply chain issues, and low ROI. To overcome these challenges, over 60% of manufacturing companies have already adopted AI technology. The power of artificial intelligence can unlock up to 90% efficiency in manufacturing outcomes. Daikin Comfort Technologies, a leading manufacturer of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning in the U.S., achieved up to 90% accuracy in sales quantity forecast at product level with the help of AI-powered solutions by Findability Sciences.
Our relationship with Findability Sciences started a little over 3 years ago. So it has been an interesting journey and very informative. I myself have learned a lot of things in the last 3 years.
Daikin has about 250 company-owned sales locations in the U.S. with over 2,000 SKUs of products. For a sales outlook, there are roughly 200,000 items in that combination, which makes it incredibly difficult to forecast what they need, when they need it, and in the quantities they need. Over 1 million predictions per month were done by Findability Sciences using 300+ external variables such as weather, construction starts, and consumer-related indices. Future and lag values were used to get accurate forecasts. Daikin saw a substantial improvement in accurate predictions and is on its path to achieve significant financial ROI.
Findability has been very helpful on the speed of executing those experiments, on the flexibility, on working on various hypotheses that we came up with, and lastly, the knowledge management piece of it. All those algorithms we built together are not lost, and they are there for future references and utilization. It has been a very interesting journey, and we look forward to a lot of projects going forward.
For every traditional enterprise, there is a Findability Sciences solution.